So starting with alternative investments, first or major question is that what is alternative investment? So remember, anything which is not traditional is alternative. So any investments which are not traditional are alternative investments. And what are traditional investment? Traditional investments are simple equity or debt investments. So for example, if I buy shares of company, or if I buy fixed income securities, if I buy a bond, those are traditional. Anything other than that is known as alternative investment. So these can include your commodities, these can include, for example, hedge funds, these can include private equity funds, these can include your collectibles, your art, paintings, anything. So anything which is not traditional will be alternative investments. There are some key categories of, or some key characteristics of alternative investment that you should know, and those are that they generally have high fee, low diversification of managers and investments within alternative investment, high use of leverage. These are usually very expensive. So for example, if you are buying a real estate property, that will be very expensive. So generally you require leverage to buy it. Or for example, if you talk about commodities, mostly commodities are traded on futures, as futures contracts on futures exchanges, and then again futures are leverage contracts. Or if you talk about private equity or hedge funds, they are making huge investments and quite often using leverage. Restrictions on fund redemptions, obviously the size is very big, liquidity is very low, and if someone redeems funds from the redeems its money from any of the funds, then that would leave the fund with a lesser money, or that would require the fund to sell off some assets. And when a large fund sells some assets, it may make some losses, or it may not get the right price. So that's why there are restrictions on fund redemptions. So these are some uh, characteristics, or some you can say characteristics through which alternative investments are defined. Some other characteristics with respect to investment include illiquidity, narrow manager specialization. It is difficult to find specialized investment managers for alternative investments. Low correlation with traditional investments, and this is one of the reasons why investors like it, because it provides diversification benefits due to low correlation. Low level of regulation, less transparency, limited and potentially problematic historic risk and return data, unique legal and tax consideration. All these are investment related characteristics of alternative investment. So generally high cost, high risk, generally high cost but lower correlation with the traditional investment, and that's why they provide some hedge against the traditional investment, because if traditional investments are falling, maybe alternative investment can provide some benefit, or maybe remain stable and save losses or reduce losses.